In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a device on Fortinet. Whether you're setting up a new device or ensuring your existing equipment is properly logged, this process is essential for managing your Fortinet products effectively. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Fortinet website. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the Fortinet URL. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your Fortinet account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts on the site. But assuming you already have an account, enter your credentials and sign in. This will take you to the main dashboard of your Fortinet account. Once logged in, look for the Services section on the dashboard. Click on it, and this will open up a suite of options that Fortinet offers. Your next move is to find and click on Asset Management. This area is crucial because it allows you to keep track of all your Fortinet devices in one place. Now that you're in Asset Management, click on Products. This tab will show you a list of all the Fortinet products associated with your account. Immediately after, you should see an option labeled My Assets. Click on this to view the list of devices that are currently registered under your account. To add a new device, you need to locate and click on Register More. This option allows you to begin the registration process for any new device you want to add to your Fortinet account. Once you've clicked on Register More, you'll be prompted to input some details about the device you wish to register. It's important to have all the necessary information on hand, such as the device serial number and purchase details. This ensures a smooth registration process. At this stage, you'll need to go through 4 steps to complete the registration. These steps typically involve confirming device details, entering any additional required information, and reviewing your entries before submitting. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your device is properly registered with Fortinet, granting you access to support services, firmware updates, and more. This process is crucial for maintaining the security and functionality of your network infrastructure. And that's it. You've successfully registered your device on Fortinet. This process not only helps you keep track of your equipment, but also ensures that you can leverage all the benefits that come with your Fortinet products. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Fortinet support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.